Hi guys, it's Tammy, and this is going to be card number 2 using my We Must Celebrate stamp set. And you might notice that something's different with these, and that's because instead of having one stamp here, I cut them all out individually so that I can use them separately. I think they're really cute like that, and I wanted to be able to do that. So I have, what color is this? Old Navy, not Old Navy, Night of Navy, and Cajun Craze. Those are the two colors that I thought looked really cute together. And I already had a card base made of my Cajun Craze, so I thought, well, let's just go with that. So there's that. And then I thought that I would do some Old Navy, why do I always say that? Some Night of Navy and the Cajun Craze on the top. So I'm going to cut this down at actually I think I'm going to go this way. I'm going to cut this down at 5 1/4, and then I'm going to do 4, but I don't really think I'm going to use this whole thing. I might, but I might not. And then this one I'm going to see how big it is here. Okay, I'm going to cut this at 4, and then I'm going to cut it again at 5 1/4. And this is going to be my inside. And then I also want to stamp at least one of those guys, maybe 2, on just Whisper White. So I'm going to put this on the inside of my card. Like so. And then, I don't know, I think I'm going to cut this down a little. I want this to be maybe a square, so how wide is it? This is just in my scraps, so I'm going to do 3 by 3. And what if I did that cockeyed and then maybe did this cockeyed too? Okay, I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to do this one at, I think I'm going to go 2 1/2 by 2 1/2 on this one. And I don't particularly care for how my blade cut this edge, so I'm going to see if I can make it just a little bit smaller, but maybe not so yucky on the edge. I don't know, it still did it. So I'm going to take my scissors and just trim that off because I don't like that look. Sometimes it's cool, but not for this card. Okay, do I still want him that big? Yeah, I think I do. And then I'm going to do one of the guys on this. Let's see, which guy do I want? I think I want the cute little raccoon. So I'm going to take my block in my basic black, and I'm going to stamp him just like that. Oh, I didn't quite get him all inked up very well. That's okay, that's why we have 2 sides. There we go, that's better. And clean that stamp off. And then I think I also want to use the little snail. So I'm going to use him. I'm just going to stamp him here, and then I'm also going to stamp him on the inside here, like that. Clean him off. And put him back. Then I'm going to take the one that says Happy Birthday peel the backing off of that. I did a tutorial on how to do this, and I'm just cutting that so that it's happy birthday on top of each other if I want it. So let me position these on here. Happy birthday, like that. I'm gonna put that right here in the middle. And I don't care if it's too, and sometimes if you don't trim the edges, you're gonna get some feedback like that. See how it like went there and went there? I don't like that. So luckily, like I said before, it has two sides, so I will try to be more careful this time. And that looks a little better. And to prevent that, I'm going to trim that off. And that off. So now I hopefully will prevent that from happening again. And then I'm going to take these little confettis . And I'm just putting this all around like that. Now I can put all of those away. I'm done with them for now. And I think I'm going to color these guys. And I think I'll just use the regular markers like I did for the first card. I love my Stampin' Up! Markers, and I don't use them enough all the time. So I thought that it would be good if I just used them for this. And I think I'll make the little guy, he's gonna be green. And then I think I'm going to make his, that one's Peekaboo Peach. Is this one Cajun Craze? No, Tangerine Tango. This one maybe? Yeah, this one is Cajun Craze, but this is awfully dark, it looks like. Let's see, I'm going to color in one of these guys. Yeah, this is a little darker than I want it to be, but I'm going to go ahead and color just a few of these guys in. It might dry a little lighter, but I'm going to use the Tangerine Tango, I think. Yeah, that's better. There we go. And then I will take my lightest gray, which is the Smoky Slate. I'm just coloring in my little raccoon. And I think I will take this pink pirouette and do his little ears. Oh, and then I should do some of these as well. I think I'm going to do that old olive again. I'll color some of these guys. And then I'm going to get my Night of Navy and color some more of these little guys. There we go. And I'm going to take my scissors and just cut out the little snail. And then I will cut out the little raccoon. I might leave him just a little bit of white around the edges because it's a little easier that way. I don't have to worry about trying to get in between his arm and his tail and that kind of thing. So now I think we're ready to put this card together. I'm going to take the Night of Navy and put it on the card front. And then I'm going to take this Cajun Craze and kind of angle it this way. And then the Happy Birthday, I will angle that this way, I think. Or should I make that straight? Maybe I'll make that straight. Like that. Then I will put this little guy here. I'm going to pop dot him. Oops, I have a little piece right there. And I probably need a little more right there. There we go. So now I'm just going to take all of the backing off. And I'm just going to put him down right there. And then this little guy, I thought I'd put him down right here. And I think I will just use some snail adhesive on him. Crack myself up sometimes. And there we go. That is card number 2. And I think this would be really cute for a kid, for a boy, for a man, for a woman. It doesn't matter. I think it's really cute. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.